Understanding generator repair, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, generator repair. This phrase might seem simple, but it's a great example of how English combines words to form new meanings. Let's dive in and understand what generator repair means, how to use it in a sentence, and the context in which it's often used. Generator repair is a compound noun made up of two words, generator and repair. Let's look at each word separately. Generator. This is a noun that refers to a machine that produces electricity. Generators are commonly used in places where there is no electricity supply, or as a backup during power outages. Repair. This is a verb that means to fix something that is broken or damaged. When used as a noun, as in this phrase, it refers to the act of fixing or the state of being fixed. When combined, generator repair refers to the service, process, or act of fixing a generator that is not working properly. Now that we understand what generator repair means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. 1. The company specializes in generator repair. 2. After the storm, many homes needed generator repair services. 3. He's learning about generator repair to help his community. In these examples, generator repair is used to talk about a type of service or skill. It's often used in contexts related to electricity, machinery, and technical services. To expand your understanding, here are some related phrases and vocabulary. Maintenance. Regular checkup or care of equipment to prevent future problems. Technician. A person skilled in repairing or maintaining machines. Electrical. Related to electricity or electrical systems. Outage. A period when there is no electricity supply. Mechanical. Related to machines or the operation of machines. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, generator repair, and how it's used in English. Remember, breaking down phrases into their individual words can often help you understand their overall meaning. Keep practicing, and soon these phrases will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning!